day, students. I hope that you are all good today. And today we will continue the topic that we have started last time. And what was all about? Who could still remember it? Okay, good job. It was all about the sun. Okay, and today we will continue to study about the sun. To answer the question, why is the sun important to all living things here on earth? But before that, I have some important reminders. First, don't forget to wash your hands using with soap before you touch your mouth, your nose, and most especially your eyes. Or you can use hand sanitizer. Okay? And the next reminder will be, don't forget to bring face mask when you go out. Okay? And wear it properly like this. Okay? Good. And that's how we can protect ourselves from any viruses. Okay? Now let's proceed to our vocabulary. But before that, I want you to be ready. Get your book in science and open it to page 78 to page 79. Okay? Are you ready? Good job. Okay, let's proceed to our vocabulary. Let's have our vocabulary. Our first word, class, will be humans. 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 Spell H-U-M-A-N-S. Again, H-U-M-A-N-S. Humans. Humans. Good job. Next word will be, say it now, plants. 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 Spell P-L-A-N-T-S. Again, P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. Plants. Good job. Our last word will be, say it now, animals. 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 Spell A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Again, A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. 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 Good job. Okay, our topic for today, class, it's all about why is the sun important, or why the sun is important to all living things. That's what we are going to learn today. Okay, everybody, repeat after me. Why is the sun important? Again, why is the sun important? Okay, next, the sun is important to all the life on earth. Okay, where is the sun? Here is the sun. Please remember that one. Bear it in mind that the sun is important to all life here on earth. Okay, do you understand? Very good. Good job. Okay, before we continue, I want you to watch a short video about why is the sun important to all living things here on earth.
Why do we need the sun?
We humans tend to really enjoy the sun, whether playing on a sandy beach in the middle of the summer or soaking in the rays by the side of the pool. We love the warmth the sun provides. Even as seasons change and temperature drops, a ray of sunshine on a wintry day can warm the heart. The sun is a star and the center of our solar system. Everything in our solar system revolves around it. The sun is crucial to life on Earth and to the existence of all the other planets around us. The sun's immense mass draws all the other planets in the solar system toward it. Since Earth and all the other planets are moving very fast through space, the sun's presence keeps them moving around itself. If the sun would suddenly disappear, Earth and the other planets would retain their forward motion, effectively flying off onto outer space in a straight line.
So why do we need the sun?
The energy from the sun is very important to the Earth. The sun warms our planet, heating the surface, the oceans, and the atmosphere. This energy to the atmosphere generates our weather patterns. The sun gives energy to the growing green plants that provide the food and oxygen for life on Earth. Without the sun's heat and light, the Earth would be a lifeless ball of ice-coated rock.
Oh, here I am again. And now let me ask you, what are the things that you learn while you are watching the video that I shared to you? Okay? Now, let me ask you, is the sun important to all living things? Again, is the sun important to all living things? If your answer is yes, I would be happy for it. But if your answer is no, I would be sad for it. So, I hope that all your answers are yes, the sun is important to all living things here on earth. Good job. Okay, let's continue. Okay, here class, look at here my example. We have human. Okay, you can see human and you can see animals, and you can also see plants here. Okay, so I have 3 examples here. And yes, of course, the sun is also here. Okay, now you repeat after me. Human needs the sun, isn't it? Yes, human needs the sun. Without the sun, we're no longer here on earth. Please remember that one. Okay? Next, animals need the sun. Animals need the sun. Okay? Without the sun, animals would no longer living here on earth. Okay? Next, plants need the sun. Plants need the sun. Okay? Let's remember that one. Not just only human, not just only animals, but also plants, or generally all living things here on earth. Without the sun, we all die. Let's remember that one. If there's no sun, there's no life here on earth. Please do remember it. Good job. Let's continue. Okay, repeat after teacher. Plants need the sun to what? To live. Very good. Okay, look at this one. Without the sun, plants will no longer grow because the heat coming from the sun would help the plants to grow and produce fruits for us to have fruits to eat. Oh, good job. Do you like fruits? Yes, me too. I really like fruits. That's good for our body. Okay, let's continue. Plants need the sunlight to make food. Again, repeat after teacher. Plants need the sunlight to make food. So it means without the sunlight, how can the plants make their own food? So sad. So the light coming from the sun would help the plants to make their own food. Good job. Next, repeat after teacher. Animals and people eat plants to live. Very good. Okay, here, look at here. We have a woman and we have a monkey or a gorilla, or how do you pronounce that correctly? Many people pronounce it differently. Okay, here we have the last, the goats. Oh, very good looks, goats. Okay, so here, people eat what? Plants or the fruits coming from the plants, the vegetables like that, and the leaves. So that's will prove that humans really eat plants. Okay? Okay, next. How about this one? Look at this example. Very nice example, right? A monkey or the gorilla or the gorilla, okay, is eating plants. Okay, and last here you can see the goats, beautiful goats. They are eating the leaves of the corn. Okay, if I am not mistaken, this is the leaves of the corn. Okay, so that will prove that animals and people eat plants to live. Okay, let's continue. Animals and people breathe oxygen made by plants. Okay, so how can we breathe? Okay, look at this one. We can get oxygen from the trees or from the plants. Okay, the animals is now breathing. Okay, look at this one. Oxygen, and not just animals, but we human also breathe oxygen from plants. Okay, look at the example. Very good. Okay, let's continue. Repeat after teacher. If there is no sun, there is no what? There is no life on earth. Okay, again, please bear in mind that sun is very important. Okay, look at my example here. If there's no sun, there's no plants. There will be no more animals. There will be no more human here on earth. Oh, so sad. We will no longer live here on earth without the sun. So sad. Look at the here. Okay, maybe we will cry. Okay, because we are sad. Let's continue. The sun gives us light and what? Heat. Okay, huh? Look at this one, that the sun would give us light. Say it now, light. Very good. The next one, the sun would give us heat. Heat. Oh, good job. Okay, let's continue. Okay, repeat after teacher. The sun makes rain. Oh, does the sun can make, or can the sun make rain? Is it real? Is it true? Okay, let's discover how the sun gives or how the sun makes rain. Okay, let's continue. The heat from the sun make some of the water in the oceans go up or going up. Okay, look at this one. Look at the picture. Okay, ocean, and let's continue. Sun makes some of the water and the oceans go up and the air and forms what? Clouds. Okay, we have rain. And here, look at this one. The water is now going up. Okay, you can see the water from the ocean is now going up. And then let's continue. Clouds then move around and change into the rain. Here we have clouds. Okay, after the water goes up, and then the water becomes clouds, and after that there will be rain, and after the rain the water or the rain will goes to the land, to the rivers, and to the oceans. Okay, and the water coming from the rain goes to the land. Water coming from the land goes to the ocean, and the water coming from the river goes to the ocean. Okay, I will repeat. First, we will experience water is now going up, and after that one, the water becomes clouds, and after that becomes rain, and the water or the rain goes to land and to the ocean. Okay, I will make more examples. Look at this one. Here, yes, of course, this part class, you can learn this when you will be in grade 3 and grade 4, right? But now, since we tackle this topic, I will give this a short example about transpiration, what is transpiration, what is evaporation, and condensation, and precipitation. Okay? So that you can have an overview for your lesson in grade 3 when you will be in grade 3 next year. Okay, let's have another example. Here, have you noticed that the water from the ocean going up? That's what we call, repeat after me, evaporation. See it now? Evaporation or evaporation. That's what we call evaporation. But how about the water coming from the plants? That's what we call, say it now, transpiration. Transpiration. Okay? But how about when the water becomes cloud? What do you call that one? It is, say it now, condensation. Condensation. Okay? From evaporation or transpiration becomes condensation. And after that, when the rains fall down, that's what we call precipitation. Okay, see it now? Precipitation. Okay, let's repeat again. From evaporation or transpiration becomes condensation and now becomes precipitation. Very good, precipitation. Okay, now here, have you noticed that not all the rain goes to the forest, goes to the ocean, goes to the rivers, but yes, of course, the rain goes to the mountain and there are also snow. Okay, when the snow goes to the mountain and when the snow melt or run off, that will become water or liquid, and all those waters will go to the ocean. Okay, and evaporate again through the heat coming from the sun or transpiration, okay, and becomes condensation, precipitation, and the water is now going down and going up, and that's what we call the water cycle. Okay, I hope that you understand well with our lesson today. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask me now. If there's none, let's proceed. Okay, here. Since there's no questions about our topic, I want you to answer this one. But first, listen. I will give the direction. Here you can see a box of words, okay? Or we can call this a word bank. Oh, word bank. Here you can read gas, heat, important, light, rain, life, star, sun, bigger, and far. So how many words do we have here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Am I right? Let's count it again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so there are how many words? There are 10 words. So what will you do? You are going to choose words from the box and write it on the blanks. But make sure that your choosing word is correct because I will not accept wrong. Okay? So this time I want you to pause for a while this video and then answer from 1 to 8. Remember, no cheaters allowed in my class. You know that. I am so strict when it comes of my class. No cheaters allowed. Don't cheat. Huh? Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes to answer this. And after that, we will check your answers. Okay, are you finished? Very good. Good job to all of you. Okay, let's answer. Number 1, repeat after me. The sun gives us blank and blank. So what will be the answer here? The sun gives us blank and blank. Oh, who can guess? Very good. It is the sun gives us heat and light. Very good. Number 2, the sun makes what? The sun makes what? Oh, good job. The sun makes rain. Okay, the sun makes rain. Okay, let's go to number 3. Repeat after teacher. If there's no blank, there's no blank on earth. Okay, we need to find 2 answers. And what are those answers? Very good. If there is no sun, there is no life on earth. That's how the sun's very important to all living things here on earth. Number 4, the sun is many times what? The sun is many times black than the earth. Oh, if you could still remember our topic last time, you could really give the right answer to this question. What is the answer? Good job. The sun is many times bigger than the earth. Okay, look at the box or our word bank. We still have 4 words are left. Okay, let's proceed to number 5. The sun is very what? The sun is very blank from the earth. So what is the right answer? Good job. The sun is very far from the earth. Oh, very nice. Number 6. Stars are made of what? Stars are made of what? Gas. Very good. Stars are made of gas. Number 7. The sun is a blank. The hint here is 4 liters. So what is the right answer? Good job. The sun is a star. Okay. Now let's proceed to our last question, or the last number that you are going to answer. Number 8. Repeat after teacher. The sun is blank to all life on earth. Oh, yes, of course. Maybe in this number, all of you will get correct answer. You know why? Because we still only one who are there in the box or in the box. Okay? So the answer is important. Okay? Now I want you to spell the word important. Kindly spell it now. IMPORTANT. Important. Okay? Now let us summarize. Repeat after teacher. The sun gives us heat and light. The sun makes rain. If there's no sun, there is no life on earth. The sun is many times bigger than the earth. The sun is very far from the earth. Stars are made of gas. The sun is a star. The sun is important to all life on earth. Good job, everybody! I hope that you learned a lot from our topic today. And see you for our next lesson video. Bye!